Unlock the emotional core of your progressive house tracks by mastering the art of chord progressions. Today, we're diving deep into creating progressions that resonate, focusing on voicing, harmony, and melodic context for truly compelling progressive house. Start with a solid foundation. While simple triads work, progressive house often benefits from richer voicings. Experiment with adding the 7th, 9th, or even suspensions to your chords to introduce more color and depth. Harmony is key. Think about how your chords relate. Common progressions in progressive house often move in steps, creating a sense of flow. For instance, I viv in major or I viv in minor can be a fantastic starting point. But let's go beyond the basic formulas. Consider your diatonic scale and explore non-diatonic chords, often called borrowed chords, to create unexpected emotional shifts. A quick move to a secondary dominant, like a V, the dominant of the dominant, can provide exciting tension. Chord voicing is about the arrangement of notes within a chord. Spreading out your notes, perhaps with a lower root and higher extensions, can create a vast, atmospheric feel that's crucial for progressive house. Avoid clustering notes too closely unless you're aiming for a specific, intense effect. Think about the melody you want to evoke within your chords. A suspended chord can create anticipation for a resolving melody, while a minor 9th can add a touch of melancholy. Play your chords and hum a melody over them. If the chords support the melody's emotion, you're on the right track. Ultimately, it's about creating a narrative. Build your progression to create emotional arcs, moving from tension to release, from introspection to euphoria. Experiment, listen, and let your ears guide you to those unforgettable progressive house chord progressions.